I'm Jennifer from the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. Today I'd like to show you a very simple DIY craft that you can make using these glass gems that you can find at any craft store. And that craft is going to be making little map magnets. Now they don't have to be maps. You can come up with other design paper that you want to put behind it. But the idea is you're going to glue that paper behind the gem, add a magnet, and you're ready to go. So let's get started. So to make our map magnets, what we need are these glass gems that you can find at any craft store, your map or your coloring page or whatever paper has the kind of decorative element you want to put on your magnet. You'll need a pencil because we need to trace the gem around our piece of map, scissors to cut it out, Mod Podge, and a brush for putting paper to glass, and then a magnet. Now this is just a big roll of a strip magnet that you can cut pieces off of. You could also find small dot magnets that would work as well. This is an adhesive magnet, so we'll just be able to peel off the back and stick it on. But if you can't find something like that, you'll need glue to secure it. So what I'm going to do first is take my glass gem and trace around the portion of map that I want to use for my magnet. All right, so I've got a circle or more of an oval that I can cut around. So I'll do that real quick. I will set those aside. Okay, so that fits well. Might want to check just to make sure you don't have too much overlap with your paper. I've got just a little bit here, but I will be able to press that down once I have Mod Podge on. So you have two options. You can either apply the Mod Podge to the paper or to the glass. And I'm going to make this really simple today and just put a little drop on the glass and then spread it around so that I don't make too much of a mess here. So I've got that drop on. I just take the paintbrush to work it out to the sides. And then I'm going to hopefully get this on right the first time. And then I'm going to take the rest of it and just seal down the edge. Now the thing with Mod Podge is it's going to go on a little bit cloudy. Even when you brush it, there's still a bit of cloudiness to it, but as it dries, it does clear up. So it's not going to interfere with whatever pattern you have on the paper, and it's not going to look cloudy from the glass side. So don't worry about that. All right, so we've got that. Set that aside and get out our magnet. And obviously you're not going to need a very big piece because these are small gems. So I'm just kind of holding it to the back of the glass gem here to figure out about how big I want to make it. And then I will cut off a little bit. And you see this has the adhesive back, so we'll just peel that right off. And turn your glass gem over and plop it in the center as best you can. Press it in. And there you go. Quick and easy, a nice little magnet that you can make. You can highlight some of your favorite places that you've been to if you want to do a series of these magnets. I've also seen where people take like yellow paper and draw in different emoji faces. So you've got a series of emoji magnets that you could put on your refrigerator. That would be fun too. You can find larger glass gems if you wanted to do this with photos, especially if you print the photos out on paper, which might be a little easier. You can do that as well. You can just kind of go wild doing all sorts of different designs with these glass gems. So there you go. Simple, fun, easy craft to do to decorate your refrigerator, slap it on a filing cabinet, whatever you like. Hope you'll give this a try at home. Next month we'll have another craft involving glass gems, so if you don't use up too much, save them for that one. In the meantime, I hope you'll stay healthy, be kind, and get creative. Bye-bye.